I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.
Chitulu Media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Listen, if you miss a show on Sunday, I'm a live show on VMC Planet Radio. It's not a problem. We got you covered. Look at Spotify, utaikuma. Spotify podcast, of course. Look at Apple podcast, utaikuma. Come on in Iono. It's a national one, almost that one.
Yeah, Iono, where you can be able to download it for free.
Also, if you wanna see our craziness on studio, how we go mad. Look, he got snacks. Go on YouTube. On Chitulu Media, our podcast there is there as well. You'll see on our craziness. Now,
Okay. Show sungula namuhla kufanele ivina nongonoko ekai bula minto kahle. Something is wrong with my phone. Oh yeah. Namuhla kufanele ivina nongonoko ibula the Zim side ya Butsonga. However, kube na technical issues that no longer is happening. Now, while akabutlanga yena trend, how do you teach pride urehaba wena fully as mundonkulu? I'm talking in regards to kids. I'm a parent, Fuman is a parent. Where is still
I'm an auntie.
Oh, wow.
Okay, wow.
Mantsongo.
Wow, no man.
Oman.
Yeah, Oman. Talk. So you are doing this, especially we work in media. We know how the aesthetics of
and the importance and the intentions
of how these things work.
Exactly.
How do we then, as a people, as Sembiso, Angamtsaro, as a guy, as a translator, come over a subtitle?
Yes.
That's a member.
Should be interview when I
we representing. So how do you teach that as Banu? All of us here, Butsonga, we did not start with it from a positive point of view. We had to teach ourselves how to love ourselves, and we had to grow and even influence others to say, yo, this thing is popping. So how do you compete na Ben 10? Na very manish.
Spider-Man.
Baby Shark.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
Right now, I won't lie to you. I'm at a point. I think it's loathing. That's a good word. I'm starting to loathe these YouTube English programs where, to a point, look, I copied this from his team, and the same thing with my daughter. Look, because look, check our kids, we end up teaching them in our doing this.
They are being taught by YouTube. That's the say, where we buy the data.
You buy the phones,
the TV.
You have to complain about doing this.
Hey, and one is like, and that screen is utaminu ashamini watching a screen. And that becomes the most comfortable language. Language like papa like the basics, like we're toilet.
Marakuti expressa the feelings tabona, yes, but there is a shilung.
And ngeba suli bana kuna inabatwari. Say he solve banjari.
Mara guys, you see, for me, I think what's the I would say the biggest issue. And I like that we're doing what we're doing. I like that we are in media, the three of us. Meaning we are speaking to us directly.
Yes.
Look, check out the Americans model. I did a film with these American guys before. So in the scene that we did, there was no so my character was some guy staying in the bush somewhere because in Liberia. Then they asked, how am I surviving? Oh, by the way, let me just but in name drop. Yes. And then Charlize film.
Oh, hey, Charlize Theron, our very own.
So director, Agushon Penn. So those guys would ask me, how are you making a living? And I would say, this is a line that was added on the day whilst we were shooting. I would say, no, I'm making my living selling my booze to that ship, that USA, what ship.
Yes.
You know what they're doing? They eat drip, man. Look, my head. We are Spider-Man. What are the colors of Spider-Man?
Red and blue.
What are the colors of Superman?
Red and blue.
That Transformers moved
Oh, red,
Optimus
blue,
Prime.
and white. Hey.
Look at their flag.
The American flag, yes.
If you check in their movies, there's always about something pride, war, winning. And whenever they have to win, guess what happens? They clap and shout, isn't it?
Yeah, patriotism is big, America.
So you see, that
Sorry.
stuff is very intentional.
Yes.
So Utkuma Nehela South Africa, he repeated their things up there as if they are the biggest, best thing that has ever happened to anyone. So there is no way for us to create this pride if we don't have pride from media's point of view.
To build a nation, it's like staging a coup, bar. Number one, you need to take over the army. After army, you take over all media.
All media, exactly.
After
Yes.
media, you close all borders. No one comes in, no
No one goes out.
And then you target the enemy, you single them out, even without anyone knowing.
Because no one will report because the media has been taken over.
Close, yeah.
You shut down phones, all communication.
On this-
Control all communication. So we see this issue is not only a Tsonga issue, it's a black issue in South
Yes.
Africa. We do not create, we only consume. We
And
only respond.
we
react.
assimilate also a lot.
We do not have a backbone, we lack confidence as a race.
Mina anahamba nipfuka nuku South Africa ngoba yena yoba silent we are a USA extension. In our culture is almost everything, all our media culture, our entertainment culture, even our writing, a lot of our writing, a lot of it should take up from American culture.
Yes.
A lot of it to influence America.
Fana, remember was it 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Was it 2 weeks ago? Man, now we're asking each other questions. I asked this question, Corey. How do we create and tell a story the way the Americans have done, or create a model,
A style.
a style that they have done? I'm not saying we must copy that. That's not what I'm saying. We need to find our own tone. We need to
Yes.
find our own theme. Look at that guy. Is it Jordan Peele?
Yes.
He has literally created
Yes, is
a sub-theme within the whole structure.
exactly of black film, of a certain type of black film. Yes, definitely.
What is-
Black horrors.
see, it's not going
We do have them, it's just that it's not coined. It's
I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.